to go ahead and put the pedals in place. The pedals are marked left and right. And they do have stickers on them which indicate which way you need to turn in order to tighten the pedals. Left pedal, just in case it is missing the sticker, always has extra ribbing around the edge of the pedal surface where you would put your wrench, so that helps signify that it is the left-hand pedal. It also will have a left stamped on the end of the hardware. So we'll go ahead and put the right pedal in here. And I like to start everything by hand so we don't cross-thread anything. So putting that in there. And that pedal is righty-tighty. Now the left pedal is reverse thread, so it is lefty-tighty. The sticker on the pedal indicates that, and the sticker on the crank arm will also indicate that. So make sure that you spin backwards to tighten. Also putting this one in by hand. And these pedals should go almost all the way in, if not all the way in, by hand. So if they don't, you may be turning it the wrong way. Now I'm going to use a 15mm open-end wrench just to tighten these into place. You do need to make sure that these are snug, otherwise they could loosen and come off while you're riding the bike, and this could cause an accident. Always make sure to check those periodically to make sure that they're still tight, everything is safe.